Hi guys, we're gonna play Animal Crossing
So,
Pocket Camp.
yeah. So it's kind of confusing. I have to do a lot of weird stuff. I have to wave my finger and boom, boom, boom all over it. Then it goes on. Yay! We have to tap to start. And I'm playing this on tablet, not a Nintendo. Not anything else. And there's nice music, like Stardew Valley. If you've seen the video, then go check that out. Yay, and there's just stuff that I have to read that is not important. Okay. And you should finish soon. Yay, and it's nighttime. I play this game a lot. Okay. A pill code. Let's shake this tree. Oh look, I got an apple. I got 3 apples. As you can see when I pick something up, I shake the tree. It's up there, but it says at 12, now 13, 14, 15, 14. Now I shall go home. Oh yeah. Yay. I'm in my camper. You could go in it. Drive. Yes. And you tap on the map, and then we can event open. A campsite where all can gather. Manager No. Yes, my name is No and the thing because my nickname is No. So if any of you that knows me in school, you would know my nickname. That's when you'll get first class material. Yay, I'm at my house. And I'm going to bed. I could take a picture, but I don't feel like it. So yeah. I tapped to wake up, and it's still not daytime. It was this all cap. Something about, okay, yeah. Okay, this is all stuff about the new event thing. Collect all. So. Okay, yay, accept. Silver treats, new goals have been unlocked. Okay, now let's check on my mailbox. I just press collect all. Did not do anything in time to see. Yay! Your mailbox is empty. So you tap to move. It's like Stardew Valley. Tap map.
Oh. I'm trying to turn off the recording just to see if it worked. But I don't know how to do that.
Disc.
So, oh, that's cool. Did you know it did that?
Yeah.
Cool. You took a picture and you could save it to Facebook. That's neat.
Social calls.
But I don't know how to get